Hi, welcome to a video tutorial from NYBot. In this video we are going to do angle, degree and radian, and also degree minute second or DMS with Texas Instrument TI-84 Plus and TI-84 Plus Silver Edition. This video is part of a full video of TI-84 Plus. The links are below the video in the description. If you press window or something and if you're stuck, press second function and quit to exit from the screen. Let's have our defaults, second function and mem, and then 7. I'm clearing to defaults 2 and then 2 and then clear. When you want to convert a unit to the other unit, the calculator must be in the target unit setting. Let's say you want to convert 45 degrees to radian. The target is radian. The target is radian. Let's press mode and see. Radian degrees. So radian is highlighted, clear. That's a correct unit. So we type 45 and then second function angle. We select degree 1. Now it says 45 degrees. And enter. It has been converted to unit because we have the default setting to radian. Let's say you want to convert 2.5 radians to degree. So the target is degree. Let's set it to degree mode once, twice, and then go to the right and enter. Degree is selected. Press clear to exit. Now 2.5. Second function angle and then radian 3 and enter. Now 2.5 radian is 143.23 degrees because we set the unit to degree. Now example 3, we want to convert pi over 4 radians to degree. So second function pi and then for over 4 press alpha F1. If you cannot see the menu, it means that your calculator needs to upgrade the software. I have a full video for that. The link is below the video in the description. So I'm pressing 1 and then 4. But you could enter pi divided by 4 as well. And go to the right, enter. That's incorrect because it should be 45 degrees. Paste that again, go up and up, enter. It brings it. And then let's press second function, angle, this time 3. So we brought R means radian and press enter. Now we got correct answer. Now when we work with sexagesimal, degree, minute and second, it's written like this, 5 degrees, 18 minutes with 1 apostrophe and 35, that's a double quote. Now we can convert this format DMS to this format like actual decimal value of degree, or we can convert from this value to this format. From example 1, for DMS, the unit must be in degree. Press mode and you see it is degree. If not, just come and select degree and enter, clear. Now we want to convert this to degree. 5, second function, angle, it's 1, so 5 degrees, and then 18 minutes, 18, second function, angle, 2, that's minute, and then 35, alpha, that, the key is here, so that is seconds. Converted, it gives you 5.309 degrees. Example 2, we want to add 25 minutes and 36 seconds plus 7 degrees, 11 minutes and 20 seconds. This is now missing the 0, so you must add the unit that is missing. If the minute is missing, just add it. So we have to add it like this. Now let's do 0, second function, alpha 1, and then 25, second function, angle 2, and then 36 alpha, then plus, and now we do this portion, 7 alpha second function, and then 1, 11 second function angle 2, and then 20 alpha code. Enter, and that is the answer, 7.61 degrees. And it makes sense, this is 0, as we have only 7 degrees plus some values, which is this. Now we want to convert 45.36 degrees to DMS of 45.365 second function angle, and go DMS 4 and enter. Now it has been converted to 45 degrees, 20 minutes and 54 seconds. So the answer is in degree, minutes and seconds. Thanks for watching. Please thumb up the video, and also please don't forget to subscribe.